Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see practical number 12, exporting table, queries, forms and report to XML format. So this practical, it is from computer application in pharmacy, subject code BP210P. So I will show you the demo. It is very similar like an earlier practical number 11, where we have saved it as a web page or HTML page. So similar way we want to export the data into an XML. So like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. So before that, one should know what is an XML. So it is extensive markup language. X it is because this X in extensive we can see X, so that is why X it has been utilized, extensive, and M for markup and L for language. So this XML form, it is important for designing of an web page. See this data what we have learned in earlier practical also how to create this data. The data that I have, so I can go to this main menu bar, and from there I can export it to the information tab, whatever it has been required. But best way is that go to the patient information, click right on it. So once you click right on it, then export it, and once you click on export, you will file XML extension. So XML extension, just click on it. So once you click on it, choose the destination folder. So I have choose the destination folder already. So this was my destination folder, and patient information, I will tag it as patient information XML. Whatever the name you can you want, you can give it. Just save it. Once you save it, click on OK. So once you click on OK, so check these boxes: data XML, scheme of data SD, and just press OK. So there is no need to go for more options, just press it OK. So once you press it OK, press on this save export steps and press OK. Now you can see that data, it has been saved in the format that is XML. So I will show you how that data looks like. So this is the data XML, whatever we have saved just now. And if you want to open the data, see this data, it has been opened in the form of an like it is not an exactly an HTML, but it opens like an HTML format. So just I will show you how it looks like. So that will be helpful when you are creating any website. For that purpose it will be helpful. So here you can see the data which has been appearing. So in this data you can see that patient information. So it was the table of an patient information, and whatever the tags we have utilized in case of an HTML, so these are similar kind of an tags, but not exactly similar, but opening of a document and closing of document. See, like patient information, this table, it has been opened and here it has been closed. Like ID it is opened, and for closing we are using this closing tab. So one, it is ID, and in between, so just this one, it will appear when you will utilize it for a web page. So ID, it is, so ID, after that name, so name, the patient name, it is Vikrant, and after that again you are closing with the closing tag of an HTML. So similar way the data you can see everywhere in this file. It is like closing and opening of a document in HTML. So this is one of an advantage of an XML, that we can utilize the tags that we want. There is no need of a body or what we utilize in case of an HTML. So this was the practical. Just take a print of it and submit it that you have exported data to the XML format. So thank you for watching the video. If you are having any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box section.